age 9 years ago from Auxiliary Department.
Thank you so much to our top 5 semi-finalists. Let's give a big round of applause once again sa ating top 5 semi-finalists. So ayun na sila nagwawabuhan sa ilang mga outfits. And now, let's have our interview portion. Joke lang, wala. Hindi pa, ka lang kami. Thank you so much for the rest backstage. Pwede na kayong mag-rest. And now, let's have our female category. Congratulations to Sharibel Torres! Ma'am Sharibel Torres. Saan si Ma'am Sharibel? Ayan, si Ma'am Sharibel. And of course, we have Claire Gao! Laika Dalakis! And our last semi-finalist, congratulations! Olivia Mendoza! Meron po kasi tayong tie, kaya ayan, nag-decide po ang ating management and of course, our management pala na meron pa tayong dalawa pa, extra 2. Ayan. So, additional consolation.